Hello, everyone. Let's talk about what's going on online now with Tonto Dikeh. Well, it's crazy because for once I never really believed born again things. It's like she's failed in everything she's done, and acting wasn't part of what she wants to do anymore because she knows there's no money in there anymore like that. Even if there is, it's not what she wants. She wants to be bigger, and to be bigger is either you be in the political sector or in Nigeria, political is more money for you to be able to grab fast money, and it's like it wasn't going well for her as well. Then she changes. She's been changing different work. Her resume is changing every day. She's getting different things, and all is those top places where money is easy to grab. Now she's born again because for her to be able to go into church, she has to be born again, and that is what she did. Now she's a born again Christian, and so she has to show all her progress so that people can believe in her. And this is why she could keep documenting everything online, showing everything. People were like, oh, why is she every time putting herself in this thing, going to clean stadium, doing this and that. Now she's now a delivering lady. Now she deliver people, but for her to go start delivering adults, she start with kids, which is unfortunate. And the country, people can take advantage of the poor so bad, and the only place you can go is where the poor people are. Where the poor people are government schools, where nobody cares about them. And you go, even if the parents of these kids, you see this, even if the parents kids give you permission, those parents kids should be checked, and they should be investigated, and they should be fined for even allowing her to deliver those kids. Talk less that maybe the parents don't even know anything about this. That means she's just crossed the line of taking advantage of kids. This is abuse of poor kids. Don't even let us say kids at all, poor kids, because you won't do this in a school where the is money people or people of our sector, like people who are kinds, like political children or stuff like that. She won't allow it on our kid. Nobody will do that for sure. Nobody can even get to our kids anyway. So the place you can find the vulnerable people to use is government school, where the parents are not even available. They are trying to survive. They are trying to look for what to give the children to eat somewhere. They don't even know around. You can't find them. Some of them, even if you tell them, they don't really see it. Even if they see it online, they won't even bother, because they will just look at it. Okay, is a big star. She's Tonto Dikeh. You understand? She's Tonto Dikeh. That is it. They will just look at it like that, because they are not seeing the real picture, the real thing that is going on, what she's doing. They are not seeing it. All they're saying is, oh, Tonto Dikeh touch my son, my child, and deliver my child. For what? Why is the kids you are delivering? They are just children. What are they there to deliver? That is when you know that now she's now in a Christianity thing. Now this is where money is. I'm telling you, this is where she's drawing herself into, and people should be aware of what she's doing now, because she don't even, when did she just become a born again now that she's already delivering people? I know you can deliver maybe a day, I don't know how it works, but this is just too fast that you are delivering everyone. And one thing is that you are delivering people, you haven't even talked about so many things that you've done in the past. This very lady, she's come online, bully many people. Even there's this guy that she was, where she bought a car one time, when she went to beat the guy destroy the guy's office. I don't know, if we don't even know if she has paid the guy the money that was owing. He was in fight with very dark man. He was in fight, so many people. He has so much people that he has offended, and even the WhatsApp chat that happens with a Mobad case and everything that they find out was inside. She never even come out to very, like, if you're born again, you clear everything that is being seen online, so that we can know that you are really free. But I know she will never do that, because they know what happened there, and she knows she has to back up some kind of people. So if you can still back up those kind of people, that means you are not changed at all. You understand? even come out and apologize to many people that did. Only the son of your father you've apologized to that I've seen. Okay, you did a like public like anyone you've offended, but some kind of people that you've really fight face to like battle with online, you need to come out and say, oh, I'm sorry that this person try to mend because a real Christian will even come and see talk to the person and say, look, I am really born again, what do you want me to do to make it clear, to make everything show you that, then show everything out, but not coming out. You can do a deliverance online, but you can't come out and do those things. Why even putting these children online? Why are you putting them on a place like this? Why not do the delivering this to show you? I said it before on some of my video. People who wants to prove people to prove themselves to people online, they are after money, they are after something, they are after for you to believe that they can do this thing so that they can get more followers, they can get more people, followers of God, like to worship, to worship them, to say, oh, they can heal now, they can come to her. There she will start making money from the people, donation of all these things, I mean, offerings and all, because that's how people like miracles. Because if you are doing the work of God, I don't think you should bring it online right now. Build yourself first, do the things. Why bringing them online? This shows you that these tactics as the tactics they use, these tactics she's using is to draw people's attention to herself, that she's a healer now and she's going to be a pastor. Soon she will declare herself as a pastor, and soon now she will own her own church. Soon then she will start having followers a lot that will depend on her, thinking that they are getting healings from her. This is part of it. So this is something, for me, this is what I think is going on right now, because these people, they know what they're doing. And so for her to do this, these parents, even though if they didn't even give permission, they should check these parents and say, why wouldn't you come out to even speak that? Why will it just take your child on your without your permission? And now even if they take permission from you, then you're supposed to still be in trouble for letting a child be online, being used to do this. If you want to deliver, even if you give permission, say, okay, I give permission, but don't bring it online if you really know you want to deliver my child. But for this, she and the parents are supposed to be in trouble for this. And the people around doing this. And what is the thing that she was doing? Pressing the child's eyes like that? Lying them on the floor like this? Will you allow somebody, even if you want to deliver your child, to be on the ground dirty like that? On a sand place like that? Will you allow that? No, you don't even give them that respect to make it in a way. This is so diabolic for me. For me, this is kind of using kids to do such. Use adults. Go deliver adults. Like you going to the hospital as well, delivering children in the hospital. I know you're a mother, maybe that's why you are trying to focus on that, but this is the wrong way to go about it. First of all, deal with something different, or do it out of sight. Don't do it and bring it online. And even doing it out of sight too is not still good, because you making it look like poor people are poor because of the evil that is in them. Anything that is wrong, because that is why you went to the poor area, you went to a government school where there are poor people there. So only poor people that are evil, that have demons in them, and rich people doesn't have demons. So demon chooses where they get into, the kind of people they get into. Is that what you are trying to say? Because this is so, but next, if you want to do it, to just clear yourself, now go to the rich schools, not just normal private schools. Some private schools are still like normal people who are there. Go to the real top private schools and go and do deliveries there. Don't pay people to do that. Go to the schools and do delivering when they're in classes and everything. You just go there like you did now. The school was still running. Go to a private and pick some of the top people there and see who you can deliver there. That to show us that yes, you are delivering, there's evil in everyone, not just because the people are poor, that is why there's evil. So this is what you are trying, because this is what it's looking like. If you look at it, even some churches, you never see them healing rich people. They always heal poor people. So to be poor means that because the devil is in you or something is in you, that is why you are poor. You don't want to put it on anything like what the government are doing in real life. So please, people, now you've seen this video and you've seen it running around. I don't want to be posting too much. I'll just give you that's why I just show you a little clips of it so that you can know what I'm talking about. This is so bad in Nigeria right now, and this is they look for every way to make money, and now this is the place she's going, because go and look her record. She's been on everything from actress to this to politician. She didn't get her way in the political way, I think. Now she's jumping on other place, just doing anything that will bring money. And now she's going on that day. She already have a flock of people going around her, because who are those women that follows her? That means she already have her disciples. Yeah, she's got her disciples. See all of them wearing, dressing and coming out to do go schools where they can easily be able to trick people, able to pick out who they can manipulate. I'm sorry to say this. This is how I feel, you know. So you all please comment and let me see what you think about this. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. And if you like me talking more about this, kindly let me know, and we'll talk more in the chat. Really, I always respond to my chat. If you go to my chat, I always respond to anybody, and so whatever you say, I'm going to respond to you back. So thank you for watching, and have a good day.